Okay, so hello all. So what I'll show here is a quick short video tutorial on the second way to set up a custom domain on Azure CDN. So now is a prerequisite. I assume you, the viewer, already has knowledge on what a CDN is and on what the Azure CDN service is. If not, a quick Google search is your best friend, and once you got the concepts down, you can return to this vid. So now that that's done, and assuming you passed the prerequisites, I'll show here is the second way on the DNS mapping a domain for custom domain on Azure CDN, which is the usage of the cdnverify subdomain. So it's really simple. So I'll show here. So first you need to navigate to your CDN. So let me find it here. Right. So first just navigate to your CDN, and let's say the custom domain you wish to map to your CDN is the www.contoso.com. So just an example. So you see in this screen, so this is my CDN profile. So this is my CDN endpoint. So as you can see, there's nothing mapped here yet. So example, I would want www.contoso.com to be a custom domain pointing for this endpoint. So what needs to be done is that you need to contact first your DNS provider. Wait, let me see what happens if you don't. So if I try to add a custom domain, a custom host name, example, it will be www.contoso.com, which is spelled wrong. Yeah. So as you can see, there's an error prompt here, which is www.contoso.com didn't find the DNS record, which is the point of this mapping. So Azure CDN needs to have that mapping to prove that you own the domain. It's part of their security feature. So there are two ways, and this bit will tackle the second way. Yeah. So what needs to be done moving forward? What needs to be done is that you need to contact your DNS provider, whomever the provider may be. So on my case, on the company I work with, we have a separate team that handles DNS registrations, and I just contact them. Anyways, what needs to be done is that you need to have them create a CNAME record. So in a side note, first, if you don't know what a CNAME is, you can do a quick Google. Google will do the trick. The concept is straightforward, but I won't discuss it here. But anyways, moving forward, so have that DNS team create a have the DNS team create a CNAME record with this format. So cdnverify that the name of the custom domain pointing to cdnverify the name of the CDN endpoint. I will show a prompt of the format on the screen here somewhere. So on our case, it will be cdnverify.contoso.com pointing to cdnverify, which is this, not that, but the entire. Let me go back here. Where's that? Yes, this one. The cdnverify dot this entire DNS name, excluding the HTTPS part. So that's actually it. So and also to include, ensure that the resolution that mapped by the DNS team is external facing or internet facing, since Azure CDN can only see resolutions on the net. So if its DNS map is internal or only on the company's LAN network, Azure CDN won't see it. So you have to make sure that the resolution is external. Then voila. So just give the some time after the DNS name was able to create the record. Give it some time to propagate across the net. Then Azure CDN is smart enough to distinguish the domain that has been mapped. Then you were able to prove that you own the name, which is the whole point of the mapping. Which then now you can proceed. So in this case, it's probably showing failed here still. Obviously, since I didn't really do the mapping on my personal account, but this is what I did for in work. But I can't share the details here publicly. But process-wise, this is what I did. So, assuming that the map is going back, assuming that you already map cdnverify to CDN-endpoint. So what to add the custom host name is all you need to do is just add this. No need to include the cdnverify subdomain. If you do this, how you spell that? Verify. No, you don't need, no need to do this. Don't just type this one. Then, assuming if you did this mapping right, so it will be showing a green or CDN prompt that it passed or something. Then you can add it or something similar. But I was not able to do it. I was not able to do it here in my personal, but this is what I did work-wise, and I was able to succeed. But anyways, you can always ask me for questions relating with this. I'll try to answer them. And also I pasted the link on the description on the official MX blogs on how to map custom domain for Azure CDN. Both methods 1 and 2 are found there, but in this video I only explain for method 2. Yeah, so anyways, that's all. So I really hope that this was useful information to you, and hope that this will help you if you related endeavors with Azure CDN, where you need to map a custom domain. And well, having downtime in the main site is not a feasible option while you're doing the mapping, which is the second option. This is the topic this week. Anyways, that is all. Thanks and stay safe. Bye.